Hey guys, so I'm gonna start off with my eyes. So I'm gonna take the Urban Decay Primer Potion and I'm gonna zoom into my eyes and show you guys how my eye makeup is done. So I'm actually really fast forwarding this because it's really slow. So I'm just putting the primer potion up. Just a reminder, when you put it on, you need to make sure you put a little amount because it goes a long way. Then I'm gonna take the Urban Decay 5 Urban Decay Naked 5 palette, and I'm gonna take that color that I just pointed to and I'm gonna put that on my entire eyelid and build it up. At the end it's gonna look like a gold, but it's not a gold. It's in between of a yellow and a gold, but it's not actually gold, but it looks really pretty. So I basically just build the eyeshadow up as much as I could. So I'm going to go back to the Naked 5 palette. I'm going to take that matte black and I'm going to cut my crease out on the top. And then I'm going to bring it to the outer corner, not in the middle of the eyelid, because I want my gold to be fading and then turning into black. Yeah, then I'm going to go back to the goldish color that I'm showing right now, and I'm going to build my eyeshadow up, and at the same time I'm gonna blend the same color into the black so that it looks like it's fading without any harsh lines. So I'm gonna take a blending brush and just blend the dark black eyeshadow, and then I'm gonna take a makeup wipe and just clean out all the fallouts that fell on my face from the eyeshadow, as well as just cut out the eye makeup area. I hope that makes sense. So yeah, now you can see it looks really pretty now that I'm getting rid of all the fallouts, because those weren't pretty. Yeah. So it looks really nice after I've cleaned the eye area, because I'm starting off with my base, my foundation now that I'm done with the eye makeup. Well, almost. Then I'm gonna take eyeliner. It's just a black charcoal eyeliner from Avon, and just run it on my under eyelid area space. Yeah, see, I forgot what this area is, but anyway, then I'm gonna take the avocado mascara and just coat my eyelashes. I normally don't use mascara because I'm just not a big fan of mascaras, but anyway. So that is how the eye makeup looks. It's really simple and easy. So now I'm gonna start off with my base. For my foundation, I'm gonna take the LA Girl Pro is it primer? Yeah, that, and I'm just gonna take a medium amount of it and just rub it all over my face. I'm gonna make sure I concentrate more on my nose area because that's where my pores are and that's where I get oily the most. Now, as for my foundation, I'm gonna take the LA Girl Pro Coverage Full HD foundation, and I'm just gonna take a normal foundation brush that I have and that I'm using currently. Just put the foundation, set it, blend it. Yeah, you say whatever you want to do. Yeah, that's why I'm doing it. Yeah, I sound really weird. Now that I'm done with my foundation, I'm gonna use my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and wow, it's upside down. Great. I'm just gonna, get rid of the under eyes and the pimple scars on my cheek, and yeah, that's about it. I really don't have a lot to cover. And by the way, if you guys do know that I actually did my brows off camera way before I did my eye makeup, so I don't know why I didn't talk about it before, but yeah, anyway. So as for our powder, I'm gonna take the Avon Smooth Minerals powder and just put on my face. I'm not gonna put a lot of powder because I want my look to be kind of shiny but not too shiny, and I do not want my face to be matte because that's what I always go for. So I thought I'll try something different since this is a day night makeup look. Yeah, it's just an inspiration thing coming to me. But yeah, anyway, I'm really fast forwarding this part because it is really long. Then as for my blush, I'm gonna take the LA Girl blush. I don't know the shade, but I'm gonna list it down below. So I'm gonna smile and stuff and just do my thing. Then I'm gonna take the ELF bronzer. Yeah, it's actually a bronzer, but I use it as a highlighter because it is so good. So I'm gonna highlight my entire face because I love highlighting. Like, I love highlighting every single thing. Yeah, even in my books. But yeah, that says a lot about me. So I have a funny thing where I like highlighting under my neck because it looks so good. I don't know why, it's so weird. I'm so weird, don't judge. Now to finally set everything, I'm gonna use the LA Girl Pro Setting Spray and just spray my entire face. Yeah, and then I'm gonna wait for it to dry off camera because it dries up in like a couple of minutes. Then I'm gonna take the Avon liquid lipstick. I don't know the shade, yeah, but I'm gonna put a lipstick on. Yes, I speak really weirdly, I don't know why, but yeah. A lot of people always ask me like, where is the accent from? But I'm just like, I don't have an accent. I just speak really weirdly. Anyway, and as per usual, I'm taking my sweet old time putting lip balm on. I mean lip gloss on. This is not a lipstick, it's a lip gloss if I forgot to mention. But yeah, anyway, so this is it to the makeup look, and I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!